I love Instagram. Hi, and welcome to Content Studio. If you have a business on Instagram and want to grow, I've got some tips for you. So let's get right to it, shall we? Number 1, optimize your bio and profile. First of all, you're going to want to make sure your profile looks professional, attractive, and full of useful information, because if it lacks something, Houston, we've got a little bit of a problem. To entice potential clients, you have 150 characters, 1 link, and a few action buttons. You only get one chance to make a great first impression on Instagram, which serves as a storefront for your company, so use it right. Upload your logo as a profile picture, good quality. Add your website link in the bio for customers to navigate directly to. I recommend you try Replug because it's got some amazing bio link features and the freedom to add so much more. You can check it out here. Include hashtags and emojis in your bio to humanize your brand. What I mean is you can ask your followers to use a specific hashtag and mention you if they use your products. Pin stories to Instagram highlights for your customers' ease. For example, if you have a culinary business, a menu story highlight will be beneficial so they don't keep asking you privately. Number 2, share valuable content. Share information that provides solutions to your audience's problems or share information that might be new to them. How-tos, DIYs, tips and tricks, and future predictions related to anything in your niche will always work great. Try new things. Valuable content doesn't mean that it has to be serious. Humorous content, for example, does not mean you can't provide value of some sort. If you're conveying a strong message through a humorous story or post, then you've hit the spot. Because 1, humor sells, and 2, you got what you came for. Number 3, use compelling call to actions and descriptions. Not only does your visual content need to provide value, but so does your message. What are you trying to convey to your audience? Make sure your message is clear. Try to stick to 1 to 2 call to actions so your audience doesn't get confused. Remember, the more complicated your call to actions are, the more likely it is that your audience will not follow. Instagram lets you use up to 2,200 characters in your description, so make it count. If your post in Reel is vague, get the point across using the description. The audience should be able to relate. Another tip here is that you can use stories to your advantage too. Share your posts to your stories and add call to actions there as well. Whether you want them to click a link, head over to your profile, or vote, or simply reply to you. Number 4, follow Instagram Reels trends. Instagram is really pushing Reels, so it only makes sense to, number 1, add video to your content mix if you haven't already. Why have you not if you haven't? And number 2, follow the trends. They can really pave the way for you to extend your reach, maybe go viral, and shape a campaign around a trend that'll benefit your brand. Trends are normally very time-bound, so you need to be quick with them. But once they start performing well... Number 5, foster trust. Your audience wants to see the human side of your brand. What better way to do that than to share your experiences, struggles, success stories, and behind the scenes of your work life with them? The more you connect on a personal level, the more likely they'll be to buy from your company. Stories are a great way to reflect all that. They're unedited, raw, and in real time. Number 6, engage with your audience. For any successful business, you must come off as a friendly, approachable brand. Try to reply to your audience's comments as frequently as you can. Ask them questions. You can start a debate or discussion. Ask them for feedback. Your audience loves it when you involve them in your decision making. You can hold competitions or giveaways to get them to engage with your social media posts and spread your message. You can start campaigns using hashtags and more. The possibilities are endless. You just need to tap the one that best works for you. Number 7, use a social media scheduling tool. If you're doing multiple tasks at a time, like running your business, generating ideas, having meetings, creating content, scheduling posts, reviewing, analyzing, and oh my god, the list goes on. Why not use a social media management tool to help you run your social media channels smoothly? With a social media management tool like Content Studio, you can ease the burden of all those tasks. You can plan your content in advance, schedule it to all your social media channels without worry, collaborate with your team, if you have one, No back and forth emails, literally content on automation, smooth as butter, leaving you with time on your hands for whatever other priorities you have on your list. These are just a few tips to grow your Instagram business. If you want to know more, head over to our blog. I've linked it in the description box below. Share your favorite tip with us in the comments. If you found this video helpful, then please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. See you in the next video.